Hey everyone, welcome back. This evening's shave is going to be with a little bit of Unobtanium. That is Talbot Champlain. Now, this is another soap that I bought when it was released and haven't used it yet. I know, I'm bad. But this smells awesome. Now, the scent notes, if I can remember, are fur, snow, and air, or something like that. I'll pop up the scent notes here on the screen. I don't recall exactly what they are. I'm not gonna talk about price because Talbots, you can only get Champlain in this. It's on a BST. But if you missed out, sorry. It's a great scent if you like stuff kind of in the same realm as Eigengrau. Beautiful stuff. The brush I'm going to be using is the Omega Evo, because I like the Evo and I think it looks really good with kind of semi-ish matches the artwork. See, this is a day's growth. I did a 2-pass shave yesterday. Didn't have the best lather. Not with this soap, obviously. Because this is a strong lather. Used a different soap yesterday and was only able to get 2 passes in. And very low cleanup, if any, so it wasn't the best shave. All right, so the giveaway, elephant in the room, kind of. Yes, there is still time to enter the giveaway. If you have not done so already, I am getting a few more leather on my shoulder. A few more entrants. Should mention real quick, bowl is the HC&C stainless. There's the Omega Evo. The razor, the above the tie Calypso, aluminum, and the H plate with an RK blade. I think this is the 3rd use. Went with this one because it matches, it looks good. With that label there. So kind of going back to the giveaway. There's still time to enter the giveaway. There's about another week and a half or so. I mention this because there's not a lot of people that have entered. I have one person who tried, who sent me a message and regretfully got it wrong. I said, please try again. And he hasn't messaged me back. So if you're watching this, try again, man. You can enter, you can try as many times as you need to get the answer right. It's not a one and done thing. It's not pass fail. You can try a few more times if you need to. For those that have not found the right answer yet, we're gonna do a bonus. Now, for the bonus, if you have already entered the first way, for those that are keeping track at home, the first way is to answer the question of what is my favorite animal that I follow on Instagram, and then DM me on Instagram the answer to that question. I haven't had a whole lot of people enter. I think I finally broke double digits on this one. I want to try to get that bumped up a little bit. So, for people, so that there's another way to enter. Now, if you did send me a response, the correct response to that question of animal on Instagram, fear not, that entry still counts. Now the good news, if you have answered that question correctly, you can answer this way as well and get 2 entries in the giveaway because I'm feeling generous. And I want to make this fun. All right. Now, the question. Pay attention now. The second way to enter the current giveaway for a tub of HC&C unscented soap with 2 scent vials of your choice. The question is, what is the airspeed velocity of an alien swallow? Just kidding. That's 24 miles an hour, in case you were wondering. 24 miles an hour or 11 meters per second. It's a fast bird. All right, so that's not it. That's not the question. Don't take that serious. Please don't take that serious. Okay, the question, seriously. What is the answer to the ultimate question? And that's not it either. We all know it's 42. So don't be messaging me, it's 42! No, it's not it. Now, the real question, really, this time, what kind of trailer do I want? That one is real. I'm not giving you the answer to that one. That was discussed in previous videos, or previous video. You have to go, if you haven't been watching the channel for a while, this will give you a chance to go back and do a little bit of the backlog. If you've been watching the channel for a while and been paying attention, keyword been paying attention, you should know this one. Because it wasn't that long ago. And this archive bit is doing really well. I was a little concerned because it is the third use, and I've heard that they're good for like 2 uses and then kind of 2 and done, like a lot of people do anyway. But I wanted to test it. Sometimes I like pushing a blade, see what I can do, get out of them. This is not bad. Okay, so now you have that question. I'll say it again. This time, for real. What kind of trailer do I want? That's it. Again, shoot me a DM through Instagram information below, and what that trailer is, what kind of trailer that is. Same rules apply. If you get it right, you get an entry. If you get it wrong, I'll say try again. You can try again. I'll put the date when the video is going to air that has the winner announcement. And I'm going to do a kind of CDB style. She didn't announce it somewhere in that video. I know, I'm not doing a separate video. Am I trying to boost views? Yeah, maybe. I just don't want to do another video. I'm busy, as we all are. So really it's because I'm being lazy. And just don't want to do a separate video of doing another giveaway winner. So if that bothers you, sorry. Man, my neck has been weird. The shave yesterday doesn't help with the irritation. Oh well. This is a good shave. The arc is not doing too bad. Hope everyone's been having a great week so far. We went to a friend's house on Monday evening. And after about a 3-year or so hiatus, thank you Rona and life getting in the way from my old group, finally started playing D&D again. So I'm not playing with my old group, which kind of sucks. I like my old group. We're doing a cool campaign. But anyway, playing with a guy I've known for 16 plus years, quite a while. His brother-in-law's the DM. There's another guy that he used to work with that lives in the same town I live in. He lives literally around the corner from my parents' house. Small world. So we started off the campaign this week. And then we're trying to play every other week. Which is perfect because, you know, we're all but the DM are married and have kids and, you know, that kind of stuff. So trying to meet every week on top of everything else going on in life be a little bit too challenging. So we're meeting every other week to play. Since we've only started the campaign, my friend who hosted this past week and kind of put the group together, he's trying to find a fourth player, because right now there's only 3 of us and the DM. If we can find a fourth, that'd be awesome. And yes, I know, Dungeons and Dragons nerd. Yep. I've never denied the fact that I'm kind of a geek, nerd, whatever. I've attended Comic-Cons in numerous states. Sometimes 2 states in one weekend. Yeah, done that. Am I a bit of a geek? Yep, I'm okay with that. Because I enjoy it. Man, that was a great shave. Okay, arcade, 3rd use. Not bad. With the grain on the mustache was a little tuggy. A little bit, just with. Not bad. Cross. I don't do against the grain on the mustache, ever. I don't need to. Talbots. You know, if you haven't tried Talbots, they have a fantastic base. Absolutely wonderful. 4 ounces and have a pretty good pour. Now keep in mind this soap is, again, about a year old. That's the pour. A lot of space in there. So I don't know if my soap dried. And I can see the little bit of size, so it's dried a little bit. So don't go off mine on the consistency, but plenty of room to load off the puck if you so choose. Or scoop out. Easy to scoop if you want to do that as well. Talbots, great base. Whipped up super easily in the bowl there. It was just very fun to use. Anyway, I'm rambling now. So again, if you're in on that giveaway, you have that second chance. If you've already entered, you can do a bonus. So you got 2 entries in it. And again, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. You've made it this far, and I'll catch y'all next time.